Google made headlines recently with the unexpected announcement that the Pixel 9 series would be launching earlier than anticipated, in August instead of the previously speculated date. This revelation has sparked a wave of leaks surrounding the Pixel 9, with a hands-on look at the device's design and new AI features surfacing just 2 days prior to the latest video leak. The latest hands-on video of the Pixel 9, originating from an Algerian source, showcases a vibrant pink variant of the device. While Google has yet to confirm this color officially, rumors suggest a potential peony color option, which aligns with what is depicted in the video. Notably, the Pixel 9 sports flat edges, a departure from the rounded design of its predecessor, the Pixel 8. Following the initial leak of images and a hands-on video featuring a pink Pixel 9, a subsequent video has emerged online, offering a more detailed glimpse of the upcoming flagship device. Unlike the previous leak, this new video, shared by a user named ReparationMobile23 on Facebook, demonstrates the Pixel 9 with its screen turned on, revealing a familiar punch-hole display and interface reminiscent of the current Pixel 8 series. Unlike the previous video, this latest one showcases the screen in action, providing a glimpse of the interface and design elements. The Pixel 9 seems to maintain a similar design to its predecessor, the Pixel 8 series, featuring a punch-hole screen and a flat display. The leaked video displays the device from various angles, highlighting its single-speaker grille, USB Type-C port, SIM card slot, and button placements. The camera setup on the Pixel 9 includes dual cameras housed within a camera visor, along with an LED flash. The back of the device sports a glossy finish, while the visor has a matte texture, consistent with previous leaks. Despite the new pink color variant and some minor details, the leaked video doesn't offer much new information. However, the high-quality renders of the Pixel 9 and its variants have provided a clearer picture of what to expect at the upcoming Made by Google event. While the leaks have given us a glimpse of the device ahead of its official launch, it's worth noting that the release is still a month away. Additionally, reports suggest that the Pixel 9 is already available in the Algerian market, adding to the anticipation surrounding Google's latest flagship offering. Meanwhile, Google Pixels have always been recognized for their advanced AI capabilities, setting them apart from other smartphones. From the beginning, Google has dedicated itself to developing unique and practical features, and with the current focus on LLM technology, it's no surprise that the upcoming Google Pixel 9 series will offer even more sophisticated AI experiences. According to a source within Google, Android Authority has uncovered that Google is gearing up to unveil a new set of ML features under the umbrella of Google AI, which will include a feature similar to Microsoft's controversial Recall. This new suite will consist of a combination of fresh innovations and existing functionalities. While Circle to Search and Gemini are already accessible on Pixels and various third-party devices, Google AI will introduce 3 entirely new features. One of these features, Add Me, promises to ensure that everyone is included in a grouped photo. This new addition seems to be an enhanced version of Best Take, which not only alters people's expressions in a photo, but also merges different takes featuring various individuals. This move indicates Google's commitment to emphasizing the subject matter of a photo over the actual content, suggesting that AI could offer a solution to this challenge. A new addition to the lineup is Studio, which appears to be an upgraded version of the Creative Assistant app we've seen previously. Early indications suggest that Studio will be integrated into the Screenshot Editor app on Pixels, enabling users to create unique stickers through a remixing process. However, the app's capabilities seem to extend beyond just sticker creation, hinting at a more comprehensive generative AI image generator akin to Apple's Image Playground. It's important to note that Google has been actively developing its image and video generating models, with tools like ImageFX allowing users to experiment with the Google Imagen 2 model. Additionally, VideoFX, currently in closed beta, expands this functionality to video content. The integration of Studio into other Google apps is something to look forward to, as it could potentially revolutionize the creative process for users. One of the standout features is Pixel Screenshots, which bears a resemblance to Microsoft's Recall feature. Recall, exclusive to Copilot Plus PCs running Windows 11, automatically captures user activity and utilizes on-device AI to facilitate quick information retrieval. However, privacy concerns arose when it was discovered that potential attackers could access stored data, prompting Microsoft to pause the feature's rollout for further refinement. The development of these innovative features underscores the ongoing evolution of technology and its impact on user experiences. Apart from this, Google has taken a different approach to this feature, focusing more on privacy. Instead of capturing everything automatically, it will only process screenshots that you take yourself. The app will then add additional metadata, such as app names and web links, before being analyzed by a local AI. This new implementation seems to offer a more secure way to search for specific screenshots and ask questions about them. In comparison to Microsoft's version, Google's implementation appears to be a better execution of the idea. While both apps serve a similar purpose, Google's approach seems to be more protective of sensitive information. It will be intriguing to observe how this feature performs in real-world usage. It's also worth noting that Motorola is developing its own version of Recall, which appears to be similar to Google's implementation. This version also avoids automatically saving everything on the screen, suggesting a continued emphasis on privacy and user control. Apart from this, Google's Pixel phones have often been criticized for not keeping up with the latest specs compared to its competitors, but the company seems to be making strides in certain areas. With the introduction of Actua displays on the Pixel 8 series, Google is now rumored to be adopting the same Samsung OLED display for the upcoming Pixel 9 series, similar to what Apple will use in the iPhone 16 Pro. The Pixel 8 series marked a significant improvement for Google in terms of display quality, transitioning from lagging behind to briefly offering the best smartphone display in the US market, thanks to the OLED panel from Samsung that provided exceptional brightness and colors. Reports suggest that Google will be incorporating an updated M14 OLED panel from Samsung for the Pixel 9 series, promising increased brightness and improved lifespan. Notably, Google won't be the only one utilizing this new OLED panel, as the iPhone 16 Pro lineup is also expected to feature the same display technology. Apple has been relying on Samsung's top-tier displays for its Pro iPhones, with the previous M12 generation being used in earlier models, while the base iPhone 16 models will continue to use the same generation, with the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max switching to the M14 panel like the Pixel. Google is gearing up to launch the Pixel 9 series earlier than usual on August 13, while Apple is anticipated to unveil its new iPhones in September. With the upcoming release of the Pixel 9, hands-on videos have started to surface, offering a glimpse into what Google has in store. Share your thoughts on these videos in the comments below, and stay tuned for more updates. Take care until next time.